guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be cooking up a delicious balsamic chicken and vegetables. This is one of my husband's favorites. He actually did put me onto this recipe, but I just tweak it a little bit and add my own twist. So today I will be sharing the recipe with you guys, and to get started, here I have some chicken breast that I went ahead and seasoned. I have some shredded carrots, some asparagus, I have some garlic, onions, I have some cherry tomatoes, Italian dressing, balsamic vinegar, I have some honey, some red pepper flakes, seasoned salt, black pepper, and some cornstarch. Let's get started. So I did record how I seasoned the chicken, and I used some chicken bouillon, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, complete seasoning, and black pepper. I added all of the seasonings to the chicken, mixed well, and I set it aside, allowing to marinate for about 2 to 3 hours. Next, we'll create the sauce that we'll use for this dish. We will combine the Italian dressing, the balsamic vinegar. We will add the cornstarch. Make sure that you add like a tablespoon of water to the cornstarch before adding it. Then we will add the red pepper flakes and the honey. We will mix well, and we will set it aside for later. So here in my cast iron skillet, I've added a little bit of oil, and now I will go in with the chicken. We will sear these for about 4 minutes on each side. You don't want your heat too high because they will burn. You want them to cook all the way through, but they must have a nice little sear as well. So we will let them go for about 4 minutes. So now we'll flip them and allow them to cook evenly for about 4 minutes on the other side. And now they are perfectly cooked, so we will remove them. So at this point, we will go in with half of that sauce that we made earlier. We will let it thicken up a bit, and then we will start adding the chicken. We will spoon some of that sauce over the chicken, making sure that the chicken is evenly coated with the sauce. And then we will remove the sauce and the chicken from the pan. And we will set it aside for when we are ready to serve. So in the same pan, we will add a little piece of butter, and we will allow the butter to melt a bit. And then we will go in with our garlic and onions. We will let them saute for about 2 minutes. Next, we'll add the vegetables, mix that well. Then we'll add the seasonings to flavor it up a bit. We will let this go for about 3 minutes. You don't want to cook asparagus too long because then it will become stringy, and that's not a very good taste. So we let it go for about 3 minutes. So now we will add the remainders of that sauce that was left, and we will allow it to thicken up a bit. This will take no longer than about a minute or two. And this is it, guys. We are now ready to serve. This is a super healthy yet delicious dish. Okay guys, so this is my take on a super delicious balsamic chicken and vegetables. This could be eaten with a side of rice or potatoes, whatever you like. I do hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I will leave all the ingredients down in my description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!